This week we're staying at Jackrabbit Campground on Jackrabbit Mountain, which is right on the border of Georgia and North Carolina, just past Hiawassee, Georgia, and Hayesville, North Carolina. And this morning we're going to do a fairly short trail heading up that way. It takes us up the mountain and then down with some views of the lake. It should be probably about 3 miles, just shy of 3 miles, but some good elevation exercise, I think. So looking forward to getting a few more miles into my shoes. I'm doing some shorter trails still because even though the length is about the same as what I was doing in North Carolina on the coast on flat trails, these have some more, well, you can hear in my voice, more elevation gain and a little bit more difficulty in terms of terrain. This one's not bad, but the AT where I was at Unicoi Gap yesterday is definitely a lot more difficult. But I'm trying to just kind of gradually enhance the challenge to make sure that I'm in good shape for the trail that I'm hoping to do starting in late June, which I will reveal very soon, I hope. Neat little sign describing some of the trees that are here in this area. And we are heading up Jackrabbit Mountain. We just made a big turn on a forest. Hey, I'm talking here. And we're heading up and getting close to the top, and then we'll be going down by the lake, which should be really beautiful. Somebody can't seem to slow down. We definitely are working on hiking skills. But unfortunately, there were no views from the top, but the forest is really lovely this morning. We are going downhill, heading towards the lake. Hello, squirrel. He's wagging his tail at me. They're all in the forest, and I haven't seen much other wildlife this morning. And there's a cute little bridge right here we're about to cross. There's a little blaze, and we are down from the top of the mountain. I've been seeing glimpses of the lake through there, and definitely hearing some geese and other birds, but not really lakeside yet. And we got a little creek crossing here. Not much of one. Forest, not for drinking. We could just hop over, but it's pretty. And there is the lake. There's some beautiful native azaleas there. And a pretty orange color. There's another native azalea right here by the edge of the lake. And you can see the mountains there. And on the other side, plenty of homes. It's a nice resort area. I think they're yelling at us. It looks like we're getting to the end of the trail. This is a parking area ahead with bathrooms for those who need them. And it's right by the boat launch. So technically I could go first just full circle and walk a little bit further to get to where I started, but I think this is considered the other end of the trail, the secondary trailhead. If you want to hike this trail and you're driving in, you can just follow the signs here for the boating access or the boat ramp, which is right there. And the little drive that way leads to the field that I just came through. I was actually in that parking area yesterday, and while I was just sitting, about 12 cars came in. I guess there was a hiking group that came to hike that little trail, and it is a nice trail, very pretty by the lake there. Not too difficult terrain, definitely some ups and downs to work the legs a little bit, but nothing too strenuous. So it's a nice little trail, especially for warm-ups or if you're just getting started training for something like I am, or coming off an injury like I am. I'd recommend it. It's a good trail. So just to give you a quick update on the foot, it is doing well, although I am feeling a little bit of pain in the tendon right now. So I'm going to go back to my campsite and put my brace on for a while. But I am hiking in my La Sportiva still. I switched to the 𝘼𝙗𝙤𝙪 2, which is the new one. I thought they had discontinued the 𝘼𝙗𝙤, and I was really bummed because I wore those through the AT and they were great once I finally found the right shoe. So I am trying out the new ones and they're good so far. They look a lot like the original pair that I got, a little bit garish. I do not have extra insoles in right now, so that might be part of the issue, but I was just testing out the shoes, and I think when I go back and put the brace on and rest my foot for a while, I'm going to go ahead and slip in the insoles that I've been using as well. They're the Spenco Total Support original insoles, which are sometimes hard to find, but I like them better than Superfeet insoles and some of the other insoles out there. It's a very personal choice, and those are the ones that I found that work for me. So I'm going to go do that, and then hopefully tomorrow get out and do another hike that's maybe a little bit longer. We'll see. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate having you with me and all the support for all of my adventures. So if you like what you're seeing, please make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get notified, and you can pick and choose your playlist. So if you want just hiking, you can do that. If you want van life, van build, you've got options for that, and I'll see you next time.